Desert views, mountain chills, and a quick stop to Marilyn Monroe. This Palm Springs trip had a little bit of everything. Let me take you through our day, from the road trip to the tramway and everything in between. It all started with a road trip to Palm Springs. Long roads, desert views, and that calm sunny vibe that makes you feel like you're already on vacation. So this is us going on our way to the tram. We were taken photos and obviously may bayad po. So we did not take it. We decided to let go. But if madami kayong pera, sure, why not, right? So we are here now at the boarding room. We waited for a few minutes. And then, yun, we made sure that when we get inside the tram, dun kami sa may window part so that we can see the view outside. When we arrived at the tramway, everything seemed simple. But this was about to be one of the most unique experiences of the trip. The tram rotates as it goes up, so you don't miss a single view.
Okay, you ready? Okay. Are you ready for the win again? You ready for the win again? One last swing, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very windy.
Elevation, everybody, keep holding on. Elevation now is at 8,516 feet. When you get off of here, you'll be on the second level of our 3-story building. Keep holding on, couple bumps going in. Second level is gift shop, followed by the photos you took down in the valley. Upstairs on the 3rd floor, food and drinks. Down below, take out to the skate park. Now, current departures going back down. We're leaving every 12 minutes. That is always subject to change. Last one tonight goes down at 8:30, folks. 8:30 is the last one going down. When you're ready to go back, second level turnstile, first come, first served. Just get in line. If you look over here, right until we do it, everyone's exiting out over here. Next group's coming in on the other side. Entrance is straight down the hallway, folks. Thank you so much for coming up and have fun.
1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. Dylan, you gotta wait your turn. Wait. Now it's
Welcome to the Mountain Station. Step right on in. Okay.
At the top, everything felt different. Quiet, cool, peaceful. Mount Jacinto State Park welcomed us with fresh air, scenic views, and a completely different atmosphere from where we started. We spent time exploring, taking photos, and just appreciating the moment. And just like that, it was time to head back down. This time, I stayed right in the center of the tram, and honestly, it gave a completely different perspective. From here, you really see how everything moves. The slow rotation of the cable car, people turning, adjusting their stance, trying to catch every angle of the view. You can feel the quiet excitement inside. Some people pointing at the mountains, others just standing still, taking it all in.
Tower 2.
It's not just about what you see outside, it's also about the shared experience inside. The gentle spin of the tram almost makes it feel like time slows down for a moment. And as we descend, the landscape started shifting again, from cool mountain views back to the warm desert below. It's like watching the journey rewind itself, but in a completely different way.
As soon as these doors open, please make your way to that hallway in front of us immediately so I can board the next group. Thank you so much for visiting the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. I have been your DJ and your tram car operator, Parks. Have an excellent rest of your evening. Have a good rest of your evening, folks. Enjoy your spaghetti.
Yeah. Hey, shows you. Have a good night, guys.
Before ending the day, we made a quick stop to see the famous Marilyn Monroe statue right in Palm Springs. It's such a fun and iconic spot. Definitely a must-see if you're in the area. Of course, we took a few photos because you can't miss this. From desert roads to snowy peaks to a touch of Hollywood, this trip was something special. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next adventure. Bye!